Hey, what's going on, guys? Ricky Plays here today, and I am back in the GTA 5 video, and I am playing on PS4 right now. I am playing with my friend, and I got my tugboat, and we just tested this with the car, and it sunk. The boat sunk, so I'm coming on here, and I'm gonna try to stay on. And as you see, when he starts driving, the boat is most likely gonna sink. See, obviously the boat is going down back here. The boat's kind of going down. Oh god. See, the boat is sinking. The boat is sinking. Oh my gosh. See, the boat is literally about to sink. It's about to flip. Oh god, I gotta get out of this truck. I gotta swim up. Try and do this with one hand because literally just figured this out, so I'm just holding my phone. So I have a mic, he has a mic, and I'm pretty sure the boat sunk. Bro, did the boat sink? Bro, the boat complete. Oh shit. He said it was really hard to get out of the boat. How'd you fucking get up? Oh, there you go. Dang. Oh my gosh. You guys see what just happened here? Wait, you're making the boat move. He's making the boat move with the minigun. I never knew that this could happen if you put this on a freaking boat. Especially the tugboat. Well, I don't know. Try it. He's gonna try to flip the boat back over. I don't think it's gonna work though. Oh god, I'm gonna fall off. Wait, don't shoot it yet. No. Okay, so yeah, that's just crazy how it did that stuff. So, oh god, he's pushing the boat again. Oh gosh, I think he just blew up. He just killed himself. I'm gonna kill myself too. So yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. I just wanted to show you guys this because I thought it was really crazy, and I haven't posted a video in a while, so hey, shoot rockets at it now. There's the tugboat. Okay, well, that's it for today's video. See you next time.